Cobes, specialized in the development and manufacturing of medical and industrial protective products, express the dawn of scientific and technological civilization all over the world. People-oriented, with refined management and implement eco-friendly production philosophy. Carefully thinking and farsighted with persistent faith, Cobes will lead the line in the near future. The top doctor protects people, listens to the sound, and heals the illness before it happens. Cobes Protection, the choice for the top doctor. Founded in 2015, Hong Kong, China. Cobes committed to the research, manufacturing, and sales of non-woven related disposable medical protective products to the end of 2014. Cobes has wholly owned 5 subsidiaries and 1 share control subsidiaries. Total workers and employees are more than 1,000. The medical gauze, drapes, surgical packs, and coveralls manufactured by Cobes have been exported to more than 20 countries, which include America, Germany, France, Japan, Australia, and Argentina, etc. CIC self-brand products have been sold to top 3 level hospitals and lots of medical institutes all over China. In 2014, Cobes' output volume reached $50 million. The market share increased year by year. What's more, the innovation and development takes the leading position in the same industry, deeply cooperated with several large medical products factories. Cobes has become one of the significant suppliers in the international supply chain. To the end of 2014, Cobes has built 100,000 grade clean workshops and other production area which occupied 60,000 square meters. The office and other auxiliary building occupied 10,000 square meters, with self-owned buildings about 21,000 square meters, and self-owned land is 90 mu. The rich foundation of Cobes makes her to occupy the leading position in the industry. Committed to the production of non-woven related disposable medical protective products, Cobes focused on higher goals and imported abroad advanced technology and equipment actively, strengthened to develop the new products and new markets to realize the leap forward development of enterprises. Cobes improves competitive power continuously and integrates the industrial chain vertically. In 2015, Cobes has invested PE film, cast film, hot melt adhesive lamination material line. The yearly production volume can surpass 80 million square meters, which may meet self-consumption completely. Quality is well self-controlled from the raw material to finish the products. At the same time, Cobes emphasizes the raw material development and develop the anti-slip high PE cast film. The lamination material, which meets the Army 4 standard for American Operation Gauze and Drape standard, as well as the Type 5, Type 6 standard from Europe industry protective products. Some products and crafts have attained the independent intellectual property. Stand high and look far. Cobes adheres to the standardization and information management all of the company. ERP system is applied to all process. Company quality management observes the international standards strictly. All inspections are done from incoming raw material, initial, process, and finished products, which included self-inspection, sample inspection, and final inspection, etc. Since 2006, Cobes was certified by ISO 13485 Quality Management System, CE certification for medical equipment products. 510K registration for America FDA-related items, PPE Article 11BCE certification, and GMP system audit, according to the 2014 version from Chinese Food and Drug Administration, etc. Cobes also obtained medical equipment production license, as well as several medical equipment product registration certificates. Each year, Cobes passed the audit from TÜV and FDA, as well as SA 8000 Social Responsibility Audit from Britain Intertech Institute. Controlled by the strict technique specification standard. The non-woven disposable items produced by Cobes can be divided to medical protective and industry protective products 2 series. Cobes medical protective products were applied to different medical purposes, are widely used by hospitals and medical institutes at home and abroad. They always adopted on the international epidemic fighting site with the Chinese medical teams. From normal workshop to nuclear radiation environment, Cobes Industrial Coverall series products can provide overall protection for users. In 2009, the H1N1 spread in the world. In 2012, the Fukushima nuclear disaster happened in Japan. In 2014, the Chinese government helped the Africa to fight against Ebola. In all these affairs, Cobes tried all best to offer the safety protective coveralls for the persons and engineers in the first line to fight against the virus, the radiation, and own a good reputation for good quality and service. Cobes takes action instead of talking, devotes to the development of human health. Cobes ensures excellent quality by strict quality standard and lean production management continuously to enhance the overall quality of enterprise by the scientific management idea and systematic professional training to build a learning enterprise to make sustainable development. In order to improve the staff's ability, team efficiency, and set a solid foundation for the further development, Cobes constantly improves the internal training. What's more, for different position from senior to middle manager, Cobes introduced the famous professional training agencies such as Taiwan Jianfeng, Beijing Yinxiang Li for professional training in the company. To enrich the leisure life of staffs, the company organized the travels once a year, which broadens the knowledge, molds the character, enhances friendship, and the company's cohesion. The development of medical and health is the best evidence of progress of human society. A relatively perfect medical security system in Europe and Japan determine the stable demanding of non-woven medical protective production in the market. With the economic development and social progress, the level of healthcare in China is constantly improving and gradually narrowing the gap with the developed countries as the most populous country of the world and largest markets of medical demands. China is creating the large space for the application of high-quality non-woven medical protective products. To offer quality protective products for human health is the mission for Cobes. So people may get away from risks such as infectious epidemics, radioactive pollution, and so on. For company management, Cobes insists on principle of quality first, adheres to the business model of safe, innovative, and efficient. Cobes will catch the developing opportunities of medical market at home and abroad, and strive to become the leading company for future global non-woven medical protective products.